components relatively cheap, we will buy it for you. So you need to decide on your circuit. Once you've decided on your circuit, you're then going to try and implement it in multi-sim, because remember you've got to make a PCB for it. But this is really important as this is filled in. If you leave something off your bill of materials, you will find yourself in a position where you can't build your circuit because you haven't got those components. So before, remember, we put them all in trays, we did it all for you. Now you've got to do it for yourself. So you've got to count the number of 1K resistors, count the number of 0.1 microfarad capacitors you want, declare what the footprint is that you want.
Make sure it's obtainable in stock.
Yes, indeed. That's another issue which can affect you. They may have it, but it may be on a 3-week waiting list. Well, if you, at the end, you submit your assignment and you haven't got it working, yes, you'll lose marks for it. Of course you'll lose marks for it. Because you could have tried to source it from somewhere that had the delivery turnaround time. So if it just says on back order or something like that, or 6-week delivery, clearly that's no good. So there's that kind of compromise as well. So why are we being so unfair in this? Well, we're not, because when you're in the workplace, they're not going to turn around and say, oh, okay, fine, we'll give you another 4 weeks to get the components and solder them on the board. They want that object at that point in time, and that point in time is the next deadline. That's the thing that you have to meet. If you don't meet it, well, excuses are fine, but it's not our fault, it's your fault. You see what I mean? This is a real-time working constraint we're putting on you. So bill of materials, we need to you need to price it as well. Why do you need to price it? Well, so we've got some idea of what the bottom line is, and also you're going to want to put a cost into your final report. You haven't been able to do that so far. We'll tell you how much a PCB is going to cost and so on. Don't worry, you haven't got to pay. We'll pay, but it helps in your report that I've designed this, and the total cost per unit is £3 or whatever it happens to be, so that your bosses or your superiors could look at it and say, yeah, okay, we'll make that because it's nice and cheap, or we won't because it's so expensive. Let's consider another design. Okay? Any questions on bill of materials? Right, so next 20 minutes or so, I'm not saying you have to commit to that circuit in that 20 minutes, but what I'd like to see is some indication from a few of you. Stick your hand in the air when you're ready. I'd like to build this. Do you think this is a sensible thing to make? And we'll have a look at it and we'll give you some advice on it and any problems that you might have. If it's got an inductor in there, that could be a problem getting that wound accurately. And if it's got some IC in there that maybe you can only get in the States or something, that's going to be a problem because you're not going to get it imported in time. Okay? So the next 20-30 minutes doing that. Mike's going to prepare for you a thing in a second, which is about exporting and getting it off the PCB way for your PCB to be made. Okay, so select a circuit.